Good morning, students. Today we are going to take one more problem of final accounts of a sole trading concern. Okay, so the first step is read the question of the problem, then solve the adjustment, and then start reading the trial balance and pass the entries. Okay, so these are the steps of preparing the final accounts of a particular proprietary concern. Okay, so here's the problem. From the following trial balance of RENA Enterprises, you are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2018 and balance sheet as on that date. Okay, so this is the question. The first step is read the question, then directly move on to the एडजस्टमेंट्स. ओके नाउ आप लोगों को क्या करना है, जैसे जैसे एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे आप लोग क्या करेंगे उसको मार्क करते जाएंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट? राइट ऑफ बैड डेट्स ऑफ ₹2000 and provide 2.5% reserve for bad debts on debtors. So this is the formula. This is the adjustment. Now what you are supposed to calculate? You have to calculate 2%, 2.5% reserve for bad debts on debtors. So how you are going to calculate? First thing you have to mark the debtors. Okay, हमारे debtors किधर है? सॉरी, फर्स्ट थिंग आप लोगों को क्या करना है, कितने 70,000 and you have to check whether there are bad debts. Okay, now see there are any bad debts, but there is reserve for bad debts which is on the credit side. Okay, so all these entries will move to the credit side. Otherwise if there was bad debts then it would have come on the debit side of the profit and loss account, but since there is no bad debts, there is reserve for bad debts, then it will come on the credit side of trading account. Okay, so let's calculate the amount of RDD, that is 2.5% on debtors. Now before calculating the RDD, you are supposed to write off the bad debts from the debtors. Okay, so debtors कितने हैं हमारे? Our debtors is 70,000, right? And on that what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to deduct 2,000, that is write off bad debts एट ₹2000. ओके, तो हमें 2000 इससे डिडक्ट करना है. सो कितना आएगा? 70,000 माइनस 2000 इज 68,000. नाउ ऑन दिस 68,000 हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 2.5% ऑन रिजर्व फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स. सो हाउ मच इट कम्स टू? इट कम्स टू 68,000 multiply by 2.5% upon 100, 0,000. Okay, so when we multiply 680 multiply by 2.5%, we get 1,700 rupees. Okay, so this is the amount of RDD which we have to deduct from the old RDD and also from the debtors. Okay, क्योंकि ये जो adjustment है ये दो जगह पे आएगा. First it will come in the profit and loss account, and second thing it will come in the balance sheet in the asset side debtors. Okay, so this is the first, what you call the first working note. Now the second working note is what? Closing stock was valued at cost ₹46,000 and market price 40,000. Now I told you in the beginning also, closing stock के अगर दो अमाउंट दिए हैं then you have to see which one is less. ओके, जो हमारा स्मॉलर अमाउंट है whether it can be cost price or it can be market price, but whichever is less that will be our closing stock. now our closing stock कितना है? हमारे closing stock कितने हैं? 46,000 है. हमारा क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 46,000 है एंड 40,000 है. बट सो विच एवर इज लेस, सो लेस कितना है हमारा? 40,000. सो दिस इज आवर क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. सो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक हमारा कितना है? 40,000. देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट? calculation of depreciation, that is provide depreciation at 5% on building and 10% on machinery. So हमारे depreciation कितने हैं 5% and 10%. तो हमें क्या करना है, you have to calculate on the machinery and the debtors. Now let's see. Now see here there is machinery plant and machinery कितना है 50,000. ओके एंड कितना परसेंट है इसके ऊपर, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 10% ऑन दिस प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 5%. ओके इट इज गिवन. सो लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग कितने हैं 1,40,000. सो बिल्डिंग 5%, मशीनरी 10%. सो दिस इज द अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन वी आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट. सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. सो 5% ऑन बिल्डिंग कितने हैं हमारे 1,40,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5/100. 0 0 So 7,000 is the depreciation on your land and building. Okay, and the second one is your machinery. So machinery कितनी है हमारी 50,000. On this we are supposed to calculate 10% depreciation. So it is 5,000. So depreciation कितना है land and building के ऊपर 7,000 and 5,000 on land and building. Okay, so this is the next adjustment which we are doing the working note, and this working note is a part of the problem. So it should be very clear while doing the you should be very clear and you should note each and every working note in the answer sheet itself. Okay, you should not do on separate paper or somewhere else. It should be included in the problem itself. So keep, before you start doing the trial balance, that is your trading account, not trial balance, trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet, first page you keep it for your working note. Next is what? Prepaid rent. So you should know there is a adjustment for rent also. कितना है prepaid rent 3,600. So prepaid मतलब you have paid it before only. So when it is paid before you have to deduct it from the original amount. So जो हमारा ओरिजिनल अमाउंट है उससे हम लोगों को क्या करना है, डिडक्ट करना है प्रीपेड रेंट, बिकॉज इट इज़ पेड ऑलरेडी. एंड दिस प्रीपेड रेंट विल बी शोन इन द असेट साइड ऑफ द बैलेंस शीट. जो हमारा बैलेंस शीट है ना उसका असेट साइड में यू हैव टू शो दिस प्रीपेड अमाउंट. ओके, दैट इज द प्रीपेड रेंट. इफ इट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग इट विल बी शोन इन द profit and loss account, and if it is prepaid then it will be shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, next is outstanding carriage inward. So हमारा carriage inward किधर है, here there is carriage inward. So when it is outstanding then you have to add it to the carriage inward. Okay, so outward or inward में sorry this is outward, here there is carriage inward. Okay, here there is carriage inward. So when it is carriage inward it will come in the trading account, and when it is carriage outward it will come in the profit and loss account. Okay, so this thing you should remember while solving the problem. और जैसे जैसे I mean now I cannot mark because of this recording, but when you solve the problem, when you do the adjustment you have to mark it over here. जैसे कि carriage inward को adjustment है, mark करो, so that when you are solving the problem it becomes very easy for you to recognize which ledgers or which points are having the adjustment. Now what you are supposed to do, you have to draw the trading account. So हमारा trading account हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे. इन द बुक्स ऑफ रीना एंटरप्राइजेज ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2018. क्रेडिट डेबिट, particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees. So this is how आप लोगों का रहना चाहिए trading and profit and loss account. That is 1/4 page for your trading account and 3/4 page for your profit and loss account. And next is your balance sheet. So balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. So balance sheet जब हम लोग करेंगे तो balance sheet में भी यहाँ पे डिटेल्स लिखने हैं. दैट इज देयर वोंट बी एनी डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट बट देयर विल बी लायबिलिटीज अमाउंट रुपीज असेट्स अमाउंट रुपीज. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर सपोज टू प्रिपेयर एंड कीप. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज रीड द ट्रायल बैलेंस. सो ट्रायल बैलेंस में फर्स्ट क्या है, ओपनिंग स्टॉक. सो ओपनिंग स्टॉक कहाँ पे आएगा, इट विल कम इन द ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. सो टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक 45,200. Okay, next is capital. Okay, capital will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. That is capital 3 lakh on the liability side in the inner column, because if there is net profit we have to add net profit, if there is net loss then we have to deduct the net loss. Okay, capital यहाँ पे लिखेंगे on the liability side of the balance sheet. Then comes the drawings. So will be deducted from the capital. Okay, so less drawings 20,000. Okay, you have to write and keep. Afterwards you have to do all the additions and the subtractions. Then comes the furniture. So furniture is how much, 60,000. So furniture will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. That is furniture 60,000. Next is prepaid insurance. Now when it is prepaid insurance, it will come on the when it is given just prepaid insurance और कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, then it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet at the last. Okay, so prepaid insurance 1,770. Then debtors and creditors, they have given together. So always remember the amount in the debit side will be debtors amount, the amount on the credit side will be the creditors amount. So debtors कितने हमारे 70,000. So this will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. That is sundry debtors 70,000. Now as we know there is a कैलकुलेशन फॉर डेटर्स, बिकॉज एडजस्टमेंट जब हम लोग कर रहे थे तो हम लोगों ने मार्क किया था डेटर्स के लिए. सो लेस बैड डेट्स कितने हैं, 2,000. ओके, लेस फॉर 2.5% RDD था. अब वर्किंग नोट हम लोगों ने जब किया था तो हमें RDD कितना आया था, 1,700. सो 70,000 माइनस 2,000 विल गिव अस 68,000. ऑन दिस 68,000 हम लोगों ने क्या किया, 2.5% RDD कैलकुलेट किया, तो कितना आया, 1,700. So the remaining amount is 68,000 minus 1,700 will give us 66,300. Next is creditors. Okay, so creditors कितने हैं, 1,29,250. So creditors will come on the balance sheet liability side. Creditors 1,29,250. Next is purchase and sales. Okay, कितना है, परचेज विल बी ऑन द डेबिट साइड, सेल्स विल बी ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. परचेज कितना है, 57,000. सेल्स कितने हैं, 1,20,000. नाउ व्हेन यू आर लुकिंग फॉर परचेजेस यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द रिटर्न्स ऑल्सो, वेदर देयर इज एनी रिटर्न. सो हियर देयर इज रिटर्न कितने हैं, 2,000. सो दिस इज सेल्स रिटर्न ऑपोजिट साइड. ओके, अगर सेल्स क्रेडिट साइड में आता है तो हमेशा हमें याद रखना है डेबिट साइड में जो रिटर्न होगा वो है सेल्स रिटर्न, एंड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड इट विल बी परचेज रिटर्न. दिस थिंग यू शुड रिमेंबर, स्मॉल थिंग्स यू शुड रिमेंबर विच विल बी वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग फॉर यू एंड ऑल्सो यू मे लूज योर मार्क्स. सो यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. सो परचेज कितने हैं हमारे, सो टू परचेजेज 57,000 लेस परचेज रिटर्न 9,000. परचेज रिटर्न कितने, 9,000. सो 57,000 माइनस 9,000 विल गिव अस 48,000. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सेल्स कितने हैं, 1,20,000. सो बाय सेल्स ऑन द ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड, बाय सेल्स 1,20,000 लेस सेल्स रिटर्न कितने हैं, 2,000. सो 2,000, सो 1,18,000. नेक्स्ट कम्स प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, कितने हैं, 50,000. सो प्लांट एंड मशीनरी इज 50,000. सो वी विल शो इट इन द असेट साइड. ऑफ बैलेंस शीट एंड उसके ऊपर हमें पता है कि वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन, दैट इज 10% डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन मशीनरी. सो प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 50,000 लेस 10% डेप्रिसिएशन कितना कैलकुलेट किया था, 50,000 के ऊपर 10% डेप्रिसिएशन वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड वाज अमाउंटिंग टू ₹5,000. सो 50,000 minus 5,000 will give us 45,000. Okay, next was investment. So investment, we know that it is the asset of the company, so it will come on the balance sheet asset side. So investment, here down the cursor cannot reach over there. Okay, so here in the asset side at the second last thing you can see it is investment 68,000. Next comes the factory insurance. Okay, now factory insurance matlab it will come in the trading account, क्योंकि we always know whatever expenses are there, whatever income are there which is direct income that is related to the production, that is related to the factory, will come in the trading account. So factory insurance is an expense. Okay, so it will come on the debit side of the trading account. So to factory insurance 26,000. Next comes the audit fees. It is a indirect expense, so it will come in the profit and loss account. Audit fees कितने हैं, 21,000. So two audit fees 21,000. नेक्स्ट कम कैरेज इनवर्ड. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कैरेज इनवर्ड जो है वो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में आएगा एंड कैरेज आउटवर्ड जो है इट विल कम इन द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. नाउ वी नो दैट कैरेज इनवर्ड इज हैविंग अ एडजस्टमेंट. क्या है, आउटस्टैंडिंग, द लास्ट वन, fifth adjustment, outstanding carriage inward is 1,200. so carriage inward कितना है, 1,800. that is to carriage inward 1,800 add outstanding कितना है, 1,200. so add outstanding 1,200, so it will give us 3,000, the final amount. Okay, next is land and building. Now this land and building we have calculated depreciation, that is 5% depreciation on building. Okay, कितना है land and building, 1,40,000. so here we have to show it in the asset side in the land and building amount. Okay, so land and building कितना है, 1,40,000. on that we have calculated 5% depreciation. कितना आया, जो 5% डेप्रिसिएशन हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया, इट केम टू 7,000 रुपीज़. सो 1,33,000. नेक्स्ट इज रेंट. रेंट कितना है, 7,120. नाउ दे हैव नॉट मेंशन वेदर इट इज ऑफिस रेंट और फैक्ट्री रेंट. सो यू शुड कंसिडर दैट व्हेन सिंपल रेंट इज गिवन देन इट इज एन ऑफिस एक्सपेंस एंड देर इज अ एडजस्टमेंट ऑल्सो, दैट इज देर इज प्रीपेड रेंट ऑफ ₹3,560, द फोर्थ एडजस्टमेंट. ओके, सो रेंट लेस प्रीपेड रेंट कितना है, 7,120. 7,120 लेस 3,560 will give us 3,560. now this prepaid rent, okay, you should always remember every adjustment has two effect. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज रिजर्व फॉर बैड डेट्स 6,000. सो इट इज़ ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. जो भी एडजस्टमेंट है दैट इज बैड डेट्स है, 2.5% रिजर्व है, इट विल बी शोन ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड बिकॉज वी हैव टू, द RDD इज गिवन डायरेक्टली इन द क्रेडिट साइड. सो बाय RDD ओल्ड क्यों, जो ट्रायल बैलेंस में दिया जाता है वो ओल्ड है एंड व्हाट इज गिवन इन द एडजस्टमेंट इज न्यू. सो बाय RDD old 6,000 less new RDD कितना है, 1,700. the amount which we have calculated that is 4,300 less the amount of bad debts, the new bad debts, that is 2,000 bad debts. so it will give us 4,300 plus 2,000 less 2,000 will give us 2,300. next is carriage outward. as I told you carriage outward will come in the profit and loss account. कितना है, 8,360. so to carriage outward 8,360. next comes return which we have already done the calculations. next come discount. now when the discount, two amount are given, one is discount received and one is discount allowed. okay, जो डेबिट साइड में दिया जाता है वो है discount allowed and when it is given on the credit side, it is discount received. So discount allowed is an expense, discount received is an income. So to discount 1000 because it is allowed, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. So by discount 7000, the amount which is received. Next is commission received. कितना है 8000. So whenever the commission is received, we have to show it on the credit side of profit and loss account. So by commission received 8000. हो गए सारे ट्रायल बैलेंस के कैलकुलेशंस. ट्रायल बैलेंस के में जो जो आइटम्स थे वो हम लोगों ने ट्रांसफ़र किए. Then the next is we have to see whether we have given the double effect, okay, for the adjustment. Next is write off bad debts 2000 and 2.5% on reserve for bad debts. तो हम लोगों ने 2.5% reserve for bad debts डाले and bad RDD and bad debts we have done, and even we have shown the calculation in the debtors. So two effects are already done. Next is closing stock, that is cost price was 46 and market price is 40, so whichever is less. So our closing stock is 40,000. So we'll show the two effects. First it will come on the trading account credit side, that is buy closing stock 40,000, and again it will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet, that is closing stock 40,000. Next is provide depreciation at 5% on building and 10% on machinery. So here the first effect we have shown in the respective asset, that is building में show किया हम लोगों ने 7000 and 10% on machinery we have shown 5000. Then the second effect will be shown on the profit and loss account debit side, that is to depreciation land and building 7000, plant and machinery 5000. Okay, next is prepaid rent. Okay, rent prepaid. Okay, so prepaid rent कितना है हमारा 3560. So this we have shown deducted from the rent, the first entry. Then the second effect will be shown on the balance sheet asset side, that is prepaid rent 3560. Year C, prepaid rent 3560. Next is outstanding carriage is 1200. So when it is outstanding carriage, okay, we have shown it in the carriage inward. Okay, that was we have added to the carriage inward. कितना था 1200. Second, it will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet, that is outstanding carriage inward 1200. So with this we have passed all the entry. Then the next step is we have to find out the debit and credit side, so that we are able to find out the gross profit or gross loss and the net profit and the net loss. Okay, so हमारा जो credit side है, it is how much 1,80,000 plus 40,000 will give us 18,000 plus 40,000, 1,58,000. And on the debit side we have 45,200, 48,000, 26,000 and 3,000. So by calculating this we came to know that our credit side is more than the debit side. That means we have a gross profit. Okay, so tally both the amount, that is 1,58,000, 1,58,000, and to gross profit carried down 35,800. So this profit will be brought forward for the profit and loss account. So by gross profit brought down 35,000. So when we get the gross profit, next step is we are supposed to find out whether there is net profit or net loss. Okay, so हमारा credit side कितना है 35,000, 7,000, 2,300, 8,000. Okay, on the on your debit side we have 21,000, 3,560, 12,000, 8,360 and 1,000. So this was the amount which we have calculated. So when we calculate, we come to know that our credit side is more than the debit side. Credit side कितना है 53,100 and your debit side कितना है कम है. So we have a net profit. There is a difference. When there is a difference on the debit side, it is what net profit. Okay, when there is a difference on the credit side, it is net loss. So your net profit कितना है 53,100, 53,100. So to net profit transfer to capital account 7,180. Okay, now this net profit we will add it to the capital. कितना है capital? 3 lakh plus net profit 7,180. From that we deduct drawings of rupees 20,000. So outer column we get 2,87,180. So we have to tally both the side, that is your asset side and liability side. Tally, if there is no difference, then our problem is correct. So on the asset side we have 66,300, 1,33,000, 45,000, 3,560, 1,770, 60,000, 68,000, 40,000. So total comes up to 4,17,630. And on the liability side we have 2,87,180, for 1,29,250 and 1,200. So the total comes to 4,17,630. So with this we come to know that our problem is correct because our balance sheet is getting tallied. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to prepare the final accounts of a particular concern.